Recently, Huawei has launched a new round of development version recruitment. The first batch of recruitment has been completed, and the second batch of re-added several models will continue until the end of this month. But there are still many users who still don't know how to apply for the developer version of the recruitment qualifications. Today I will briefly talk about this process. First of all, the first step is to go to Huawei's application market to find the developer alliance. After downloading and installing the application, open the homepage. We see 4 function options at the bottom. Click the community button to enter. In the community we find the topic page, click on it, and then find the first official page to get the HarmonyOS development kit beta based on the API 23 version. Directly click this link to enter. After entering, we can see that there is a link under the first text description. Click to enter, and then it is the official recruitment registration page. Directly fill in the relevant information according to the official requirements, and wait for the official review with peace of mind after the registration is successful. The speed of the official review is very fast. Some developer users apply in the morning and receive the official new version push in the afternoon, and what users need to do in the future is to wait patiently for the information and version push that the official review has passed. The HarmonyOS Developer Alliance application is a developer version this time, so there is an instability in the user experience. It is recommended that ordinary users do not apply by themselves, and developer users please feel free to do so.